Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can fix black screen problem in Windows 11. So in Windows 11 some users are facing black screen problem. The problem can be fixed easily by doing two things. So first make sure to check one thing, that is you have to press Windows and P on your keyboard, and here in project option you will have to select PC screen only. And the second thing is you have to reset your graphics driver, but first make sure your graphics driver is updated and installed properly. Then you have to type in this code, which is Windows you have to press these buttons, not codes, which is Windows Ctrl Shift B. I already have done that, that's why I'm not going to do this again, because if I reset my graphics driver now, this recording will get hampered. So you have to just press Windows Ctrl Shift and B letters keys in your keyboard together. Then it will flash your screen and reset the graphics driver properly. So after that you have to just restart your computer, and this black screen problem will get fixed. And if it doesn't, then it is the software it isn't a problem of the Windows 11 software, then it might be your hardware problem. Then in that case you have to properly check your monitor cables and other hardware components. But if this is a software related problem of Windows 11, then it will get fixed by doing these two things. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.